387.
Where? 3727. 37213. Don't wait, behind your back, please. Hand your back. That's it. Oh, do that. Just wait for the driver.
7152.
Put hands on your tummy. 387. Oh, 37217 and 61.
The train now approaching platform 2 is not...
Oh yeah, 340. Yes! Broad Cambridge, don't wave, just me. 216. Gian! Just Gian! Ask Gian.
The train now approaching platform 2 does not...
Oh yeah, 30126. And 306 off to Eastbourne. Oh, full car zone.
The train now approaching platform 2 does not...
Oh, 3708. Hold on, it's on its own. Bradford to Brighton was about 2 minutes late.
The train now approaching platform 2 does not...
374 Thank you. Oh, I think that's a spark now. Right, yeah, well, no, carriage. I mean, there's no, it's not.
Way back, I'll swing past. So yeah, somewhere between 7 and 8 o'clock. Cool.
321 And I keep recording because I've got yellow light.
And he wants one of those bags for life because he broke his. So like, well, I've got loads, you can have a couple of my bags, I don't care.
Oh.
I go out and you go his bag back and then, yeah, I chuck it in my car and I get back. Then I won't forget it. It's a big black bag you tipped over and carry this one.
30445
Someone lost it.
Not service.
It's just a bag you just like hold it.
And 377133. So we're going to Southeastern.
Hello, type 377
Oh, 137, there you are. 37123 off to all. And 31719.
XGN. There you go.
The only one we've got Yeah.
Put my ice drink in my bag. Put on the left side.
Yeah.
Uh, 9 minutes. You not wave, you not. Me and Josh and wave. You wave. President 216. Yeah, President 2 Exactly. Hmm? Oh, President 2 like 218. President 205. Charge 113. Please get my car so I'll come back home for now. Please do it now. I'm filming a stopping train. Three 7-4-6-3. Yes. Oh, 4-3. Sorry. 377-464. Oh, there's a nice tempting going to Brighton from Bedford to Brighton. What is it? Yes, 464 over there. Okay, Josh, I'm going to stop her now. Right. And there he is. So I had to run with that. Bedford to Brighton. No. Right now. Now, 13. Now, V services Victoria. Domestic Hong Cruises Victoria. This one is. Yeah, 374 this 718 to Brighton. Bedford. Quiet! It's a flyer. No. So I had a lot of space. Get yours, Sue. Thank you. Don't look at me. You don't.
Welcome aboard the Southern service to Portsmouth Harbour and Bognor Regis. The next station is Horsham. This is coach number 458.
You okay? Mum, you just talk quietly. Hey, when we go past the home, we need to go to coach 3. When I get past the home, we need to go to coach 3. When we're past the home, we need to go to coach 3.
We're all going to coach 3.
Yeah, you not.
Why am I not?
You staying 4 when I get off.
Maybe.
Oh, it's 3, yeah. It's coach 3 up there.
You're going to wait for me then?
Yeah. You're gonna
Maybe
go.
I'll let you go to wait there.
You'll go door 1, I'll go door 2, Josh.
What?
Boys, if you do it, you stay together. Ben, you stay together.
Yeah.
Oh, I'll do that.
Yeah, I'll do that. Right, I had a lot of space. Do you delete some for me? Yeah, I'll upload film videos.
Upload them when you go home.
I used to upload some Kent Southeastern videos. I used to upload Southeastern ones. When I get home, I'm gonna upload some Southeastern videos. So look at the look at the field. Let's look at the field here. Oh my god. I like put to have a bubble just one. Do you look at the phone? Can't get the numbers. You look on your phone. Look at the phone. Can't get the numbers. That one. I can't. No, don't talk about things now. That's enough. No. At 33, give a charger. Give it about 33. Go sit down.
No, I'm going to give you the charger. You put my bag down, don't I? Give you the charger.
Because some of the snatch has been to Horsham for ages.
Side of the pot.
Yeah, that's where I put it. Where I put it. Right, like that. Okay. You right there, Josh?
Yeah.
Yeah, cool. Awesome. Over it.
Oh my god. Where's your new computer? Last 7 months ago. Because all the 379s would have got it. Just all come to the end 379 one day. They've been ready for storage, so they think they're taking 15 with them. In the next 3 years, these GW are getting GN 307s. Yeah, we need to get to King's Cross.
Go to King's Cross, Finchley Park?
Yeah, we need to get 379. XJ 379 interiors is still a high standard. I can't hear you. All the GN 379 has inside, it only has standard express seats. I can't hear you.
What?
GN 379 has standard express interiors. I think it has. We need to go to Coach 3. Yeah. Peterborough from Horsham, 70131. Yeah, 70131 to Peterborough from Horsham.
That's not classed as red, white, blue, is it? Can't wear that.
Well, they said.
We are now approaching Horsham. Change here for Sutton and Dorking. If you like to change here, please make sure that all your personal belongings with you in line to get between the train and the platform. If you stay on the train, just be aware that this train will divide here.
Dividing. I'm going to show you something. I do that already. I'll open the door. Open the door.
We need Horsham.
We're at 33. We're 30.59 now.
So we come out.
It's probably might be all duration.
Okay.
Or is that Mum getting Coach 3?
We are now approaching Horsham, where
Huh?
the train will divide.
Oh,
Coaches
sorry.
1, 2, 4 will continue to Portsmouth Harbour, coaches 5 to 8.
Oh, look at that. Oh, more times we get sidings there.
Please ensure you are travelling
Have someone
in
just
the
at the
right part of
sidings.
the train. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
There.
This is coach number 3 of 8.
Oh my god. We need to go door 1, that would be perfect. Huh? Oh, it's on the right. Hello, Josephine's on the right.
This side.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's a tree.
Yeah. Behind you.
Hey. Hey.